Hey, it's KJ. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a full tour of a veranda room on the Disney Dream. So without further ado, let's go check out this room. So when you walk in, you might have a handsome husband and a cute baby, like me. But then if you turn to the left here, we've got the closets. So up here you have your life vest. We are group E. Then you have some hangers here. You got a decent amount of hangers. They have the ones with the clips. They also have the ones where you can slide things on like a pair of pants. They also have your laundry bag here with the little Disney Cruise Line logo. So if you want to do laundry, you can actually have it sent out while you are here. So they have a laundry service that provides dry cleaning as well, and laundry. You can also have things pressed if you would like to do that for a fee. Then below that, you've got your safe here, and then you have some shelves here for storage. And then in the next closet, one over, you have one small closet here. It has the other life vest. You have more hangers. You've got the ladder for the bunk beds if you're using those. They also have a bed rail. I don't know if these come in every room. We requested one, so I don't know if they come in every room, but it's in here. And then on the other side, we'll go back this way. If you look, the door to exit is here. They have your assembly station. So Disney Cruise Line assembly station has the emergency instructions on here. It tells you how to put on your life vest. It tells you what group you're in. Like I said, we're group E, and where your station is. And then here is where you put in your key to the world card. Last year we went on the Wish, and we were in Walt Disney World first, so we had the room keys for that. So we stuck that in there. That's a little hack. If you don't want to put your room key in there, the baby's not using his room key, so we have an extra one, so we stuck that in there. But if you are with adults or kids who are going to be using the room keys, then I would bring some kind of card to stick in there. And the reason you need that is because you have to put that on in order to turn the lights on in the room. They also have your room occupied sign here. And then the first door here, so this is where the restrooms are. I'll back up so you guys can see what it looks like. So those two doors on the left are the restrooms. Here is the closet, and if you have an adjoining room, here is the door for that, but we'll get to that in a minute. So here is the first bathroom, and it says, caution, watch your step, because you do have to step up to get in here, and it looks like the lights are on the outside. So in here we have your toilet. We've got some toilet paper. That's where you can flush. It says, please do not throw foreign objects in the toilet. Hope we all know that. We've got the Disney Cruise Line logo here on the hand towel. Love those touches. We've got a little shelf up here for some storage. We've got your mirror over here. Hey guys. Then over here we have some more shelves for some more storage. If you need a sharp trap, they have that for you as well. Here is your soap, which used to be H2O, but I believe Disney bought that, so they rebranded it. So here you have your products formerly known as H2O. This is the sea salt hand soap. And then you have your sink here. And then underneath we've got some tissues here. We've got a garbage, and then we have another towel here with the Disney Cruise Line logo. And then they have something for any sanitary napkins. And now we're gonna back up. Whoop. Remember to watch your step. I was just tripping over there. So over in this bathroom, we'll shut that light off. We'll move over to this bathroom again. Remember, you have to take a step up. So here's where, oh, you actually, look at this guys, I didn't realize. So you actually have to step over this one, step like into it. So here is your shower, and your shower has a rainfall head, it looks like. We've got this one as well. I'm gonna step in, you guys. We have this, and then over here, again, those H2O products that are used to be H2O products, but are now the Disney, or maybe they're just called, oh no, I guess so we have sea salt, we have sea marine, and sea marine. So I guess those are the different scents. So you have your body wash, your conditioner, and your shampoo. We've got some shelves here for storage, which is nice. They also have a seat here. So if you did need a seat, or if you have little ones or what have you, you have the seat over here. Here's how you control the shower. And then they actually have two of these. Guys, I only learned what these were like very recently. So you pull this and you bring it to the other side over here, and it hooks, and that's actually how you can like hang different things on here if you wanted to hang your bathing suits. Yeah, I never knew that, you guys. So here is the shower. You've got your Disney Cruise Line branded mat there. You've got a handle here, and here we have the nautical rope here on your shower curtain with the little Mickey heads, which is always such a nice touch. Then over here, your vanity area, you've got a few shelves here, your washcloths. They have the makeup washcloth so that it's black, so that your makeup doesn't stain it. You've got your sink over here with your sea salt soap. Over here, we've got your body lotion. We've got your mirror again. Hey guys. And then down here, we have more of the Disney Cruise Line towels. Over here, we've got a garbage can and tissues, as well as more towels over here. And then I have an unhappy baby out there. And then out here you have, again, hey guys, we've got a full-length mirror, which is really nice when you're getting ready. You can use the full-length mirror to see yourself. Then turning around here, you have your adjoining room. So my sister is actually staying in this room, so if we wanted to, we can open the door there. We have our pack and play and our diaper genie that we requested. So next to the adjoining room door, you have your hooks, which you've already taken advantage of. We have our hats hanging there. We have some pretty artwork here. And then if you come this way, you have your bed. We've got the Disney Cruise Line logo here. I'm guessing this is what they'll make the quote unquote towel animal out of. I'm not sure, that's what they did on the Wish. So we'll see if they do that here, or they actually make towel animals, or if they use the blanket. So here is your bed. And then on this side, we have the lamp here. We've got the little Mickey Mouse details here. Here is the light switch to turn on your light. They have some outlets here. They only have one regular American outlet, and then they have a European outlet. And then they have this drawer here, so you can open that up for storage. And then we'll just shut that. So then moving to this side, we have your other floating nightstand. Here you can turn on the lights. This light switch, actually there's two light switches here because one of them controls that one up there. And then here is your little Disney Cruise Line boat. You have your phone, and then here is the curtain divider. So if you have little ones sleeping on the other side, which we do, we will close this at night when John and I just want to relax. We'll close that over so the kids can go to sleep. So it's very nice. I wish they did that in regular hotel rooms. Then I have my family here on the couch. Up here is where the bunk bed will pull down from. This will fold down into a bed. One thing I want to point out about the fold down bed here is you have a little lamp. So if you're sleeping on this bed, it has a lamp, which is a really nice feature. Here we have a little table that you can have when you are sitting down. You've got your TV up here, we've got Mater, and then over here we have some storage here. So we have this cabinet up here. We've got some more shelves over here for storage. Below that, again, here's the TV. Now we are Castaway Club members, so we've been on a Disney cruise before. The baby hasn't, but the four of us have, so we get these lanyards. Here we have more light switches. We have another mirror, and here I am with my baby. I have the baby now. He wanted to come along. We have two outlets over here and a European outlet. I have an adapter. I just could not find it, you guys. If you have a European adapter or you want to get one on Amazon, I suggest doing it. It gives you more outlets. Then here, I love the detail here. You can see the little Mickeys on the light, but here you guys can see you can get ready, or you can see my family, so you guys can get ready here. They have a chair here that John is using. So again, if you want to sit and get ready, you can do that. And here in the desk drawer, how cute is this? They have a little Mickey Mouse on there on the knob. You pull it open. So here you have some postcards with Mickey and Minnie on them. My 2-year-old wants to check it out. Here you go, buddy. Then you have one with, as he calls it, the Disney boat. Here you go, pal. Then you have your continental breakfast here that you can order to the room. You put your room number, your name, and then the number of people in your room. You do the same thing here, room number, guest name. You put what time you want it to be delivered, the continental breakfast, and you guys can see there is an assortment of things you can choose from, so you can do that. You just leave it on your door the night before. They also have here, if you want to write a letter, they have a letter here, 2 sheets there, some envelopes, and then here you have a Disney Cruise Line pen as well. So that is everything in the drawer. Over here we have several drawers. Oh, they have a hairdryer in that one, and they have a heat mat over here, so if you bring a straightener or something like that. Let's see if there's anything else in these drawers. No, I figured those would be empty. Okay, so we got more drawers here. Then over here we have some more storage. Above that, even more storage. We've got some glasses here, another shelf here, and then let's open up. So then we have this cabinet over here with more storage. And then underneath here, I believe will be our beverage cooler, or is it a refrigerator? Oh, this looks like an actual refrigerator. So here we have our fridge. It has some shelves over there. And then over here we have some drawers. So nothing in these drawers, just some storage if you're someone who likes to unpack. I don't like to unpack. I like to keep everything in my suitcase. Out this way, you have your balcony. Johnny will show you that later. I don't like going out on the balcony, you guys, but this is how you would get out onto the balcony or the veranda. And then over here,
we're gonna head outside from our veranda room. It's got two mechanisms for keeping it locked and safe. First one is up here. You're gonna give this one a sort of quarter turn, unlock the bolt. I believe the locking system's a little bit different on the Dream than it is the Wish. I don't remember that specific kind of lock. And then we just give this a half turn, and then we pull it open. And we can head out onto our veranda. And today is a day at sea, so that is why we are on the ocean during the daytime. So I'll give a look at our veranda now from as I sort of back up to the railing. We got a deck chair and a little round table and a second deck chair. It's probably about, I don't know, 10 feet wide, roughly, and maybe about 5 feet deep. Railings are a good 42 or so inches in height, I would say. So I'm 6'2", they come up to my like top hip bone. And yeah, so there's the horizon. There's the ocean. We're on the 5th deck. So I'm sorry, 5th deck. We're on the 7th deck. So below us we have some lifeboats, which hopefully we never need, and hopefully you don't either. And there we go. The veranda view for a day at sea on the Disney Dream.
and then over here, we haven't decided yet if the kids are going to use the Murphy bed or the bunk bed, so we'll see. But that is about it, you guys. So here is a quick pano of how the room looks. Really nice. Now, this is a bit more roomy than our last room, or spacious than our last room, because we do have the Murphy bed. So if you have a Murphy bed, it does give you extra space when it is up, which is really nice. Thank you so much for coming along with me on this room tour. If you guys liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new and you like the content, and leave me a comment down below. Have you ever stayed on the Disney Dream before? And if you made it to the end of the video, leave me a little cruise ship, because I always like to see who makes it to the end. And with that, I will see you guys real soon. Bye.